Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the top 5 best camera features on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now for the fifth camera feature is that you can apply custom filters on your photos. Now to do that, just open the camera, then tap on the 4 dots over here. Now from here, just tap on this icon. Now once you tap on this icon, you can apply custom filters on your photos. And also, if you tap on the plus icon, you can use Galaxy AI to create a custom filter for your photos. Now from here, just select a sample image, which you like the color science of. Now it will use the color science of the selected photo to create a custom filter for your photos. Now if you tap on the filter 1 icon, you can name this filter. Now just tap on rename. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created a custom filter for our photos. Now, just tap on Done. And as you can see, this is the custom filter we have just created. Just like that. Now, for the fourth camera feature is that you can take live motion photos. Now, to do that, just open the camera app. Now, at the top of the screen, you will find this icon. Now, if you tap on this icon, you will enable live motion photos. Now, to take a live motion photo, just tap on the shutter button and move your phone slightly. And once you do that, you will capture a live motion photo. Now, if you tap on view motion photo, you can see that you have successfully taken a live motion photo. Now, the third camera feature is single take. Now for that, just open the camera app, then go to more. From here, just tap on single take. Now what this basically does is that with a single tap of the shutter button, it will take a photo, it will record a video and much more. Just like that. Now just tap on the shutter button and wait for 8 to 10 seconds and it will capture a single take. Now once you open this image, you will find the option of single take. Now as you can see, it has captured an image, it has recorded a boomerang clip, it has taken a filtered picture, a fast forward clip, a crop shot, and original video. It has done all this with a single take. Now for the second camera feature is that you have Pro mode for videos. Now for that, just open the camera app, then go to more. Now just tap on Pro Video and from here you will find this bar. Now from here you can change the ISO as you like. You can increase or decrease the shutter speed, the focus. You can set it on auto or you can select manual and from here you can change the focus as you like. Now for the first camera feature is that you can enable Snapchat filters in your camera app. Now to do that, just open the camera app, then go to Fun, and from here you will find the Snapchat filters within the camera app of your smartphone. And these were the top 5 best camera features on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.